Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty with a mix of passion and expertise. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to elevate your eye makeup game. Kiko Milano's Colour Kajal in the shade 05 Brown. If you're someone who loves a bold, smudge-resistant liner with a matte finish, keep watching. The Kiko Milano Colour Kajal is a pencil eyeliner specifically designed for the delicate inner eye area. This long-lasting pencil is made to give you intense color payoff with a smooth, creamy texture that glides on effortlessly. It's available in a variety of shades, but today we're focusing on 05 Brown, which is a versatile and rich shade for those who prefer a softer alternative to black liners. This kajal features a matte finish, which means it delivers a sleek, non-reflective look that stays true to its color throughout the day. The smudge-resistant formula ensures that once it's in place, you won't have to worry about it fading or running, even if you're dealing with a long day or a hot, humid environment. I was excited to try this product because the inner waterline is one of the trickiest areas to apply eyeliner to. Getting something that won't smear or smudge is essential. So I went ahead and applied the Kiko Milano Kajal on both the top and bottom inner rims. The application was smooth and easy, no tugging or pulling at the delicate skin around my eyes, which is a huge win in my book. The brown shade added definition without being too harsh, making it perfect for day-to-day wear or a soft evening look. In terms of performance, I have to say I was impressed. This pencil stayed in place without smudging or fading for hours. Even with my natural tendency for watery eyes, it held up throughout the day, which is something I look for in an eyeliner, especially for sensitive areas like the waterline. The color itself is deep and rich, and the matte finish doesn't make your eyes look too shiny, just that perfect, understated definition. That said, there are a couple of things to consider. While the formula is great for staying put, it's a bit on the drier side compared to some of the other kajals I've used. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but if you're looking for a super creamy, easily blendable pencil, this one might feel a bit firmer on the skin. Also, because it's smudge resistant, removing it at the end of the day can be a bit tricky. You'll definitely need a good eye makeup remover to take it off without irritating your eyes. As for value for money, Kiko Milano has definitely positioned itself as a brand that offers high-quality products at an affordable price. For the performance you're getting here, it's well worth the investment, especially if you're someone who struggles with eyeliner that doesn't stay put. The pencil lasts a long time, and considering the smudge-proof formula, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for something in a similar price range with the same smudge-proof benefits, I'd suggest checking out NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil or even L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Last Pencil. Both offer similar staying power, though the textures are a little creamier, so if you prefer something softer, those might be worth exploring. In terms of build quality, the Kiko Milano Colour Kajal feels solid and well-constructed. The pencil's twist-up design eliminates the need for sharpening, making it convenient for on-the-go use. It's not the most luxurious packaging I've seen, but it does the job. So what's the final verdict? The Kiko Milano Colour Kajal in 05 Brown is a solid, reliable pencil for those looking for a smudge-resistant, matte eyeliner for the inner eye area. It's easy to use, long-lasting, and provides great color payoff. If you're someone who needs an eyeliner that will stay in place throughout the day without worrying about constant touch-ups, this is a product worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. And remember, the link to purchase the product is in the comments or description box below. Have you tried this eyeliner? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.